Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, I'm Sasha. I'm a beauty and lifestyle blogger based in New York City, and in today's video I'm sharing 5 benefits of using a jade roller. So I'm sure you guys have been seeing this all over social media. Everyone's using it, and you might be wondering, is it something that you should invest in, or is it just another beauty trend? So today I'm really going to break down 5 benefits for you, and at the end of the video I'm going to show you how to use this properly. Number 1, it relieves muscle tension. So we probably don't realize this, but we hold a lot of muscle tension in our faces. We're constantly on our phones, we're staring at the computer screen all day, and this muscle tension actually causes fine lines and wrinkles over time. So by using a jade roller, what we're doing is massaging those muscles. When we wake up in the morning, the muscles on our face are a little bit more stagnant from sleeping the night before. So I love using this in the morning because it's just a great way to kind of wake up the skin, get those muscles moving, and just give you a really refreshed look. Number 2, it detoxes and drains the lymphatic system. So our lymphatic system is basically like the garbage truck of our skin. It carries and it holds all these wastes and toxins and bacteria. So by massaging our faces every day with the jade roller, we're actually stimulating the lymphatic system and we're releasing all those toxins out of our skin. Nowadays, you can actually get a lymphatic drainage massage or a lymphatic drainage facial at a spa, and it's very expensive. So this is a great way to kind of give yourself an in-home spa experience without spending all that money. I love a good self-care day. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I do a series every week, every Sunday, called Skincare Sundays, and I love using the jade roller. It's just like a great way to have a self-care day and kind of take care of your skin. Number 3, it improves your skin's blood flow and circulation. And having great circulation in our skin is actually key to have glowing skin, to have more youthful skin. If you think about the way your skin looks after a great workout, our cheeks are a little bit more flushed. We have that kind of youthful, radiant glow to our skin. And that's because of great blood circulation. That's because we're working out those muscles. So using a jade roller is pretty much the same concept. You're basically giving yourself a facial exercise, and that's going to really get your blood flowing, get those muscles relaxed, and it's going to really show from the inside out. Number 4, it reduces puffiness and inflammation. And I would have to say this is probably one of the best benefits of using a jade roller. A jade roller is cool to the touch, so it has this cooling sensation to it. And it's even better if you put it in the fridge. So that's a little pro tip for you guys. Put this in the fridge. It feels amazing on the skin, and that cooling effect actually lasts a lot longer when you put it in the fridge overnight. Also, I'm not a morning person, and this has helped my morning routine tremendously. It takes me a while to wake up, so doing this right away in the morning really wakes up my skin, gets those muscles moving. Number 5, it allows your skincare products to work better. So I highly recommend using this with your serum, your moisturizer, or even your facial oil. And the best thing about it is that it's going to penetrate deeper into the skin rather than just sitting right on top of it. Personally, for me, I love using my facial oil with it. I find that when I use a facial oil, the jade just rolls a lot smoother on my skin. Whereas before, I wasn't using it with any of my skincare, and it just felt a little more stiff and a little bit more rough on the skin. I felt like I was kind of dragging it on my skin. The benefit of also using this with your skincare is that you don't have to wait a long time for your products to dry. Because it absorbs so well into the skin, you can just move on to your next step, whether it's your moisturizer or your foundation. So now that I've shared all the benefits, I'm going to show you guys how to use this, and I'm going to get all this makeup off because you don't want to wear any makeup when you use it. You want to have clean, washed skin, and yeah, I'll be right back. So I've just washed my face. It's cleaned, it has no moisture in it. And I'm going to go ahead and take my favorite rosehip seed oil. I'm going to take about 3 drops of this and really warm it up on my hands and then just apply it directly to my face. So you want to start from the inner part of your face and roll in an upward motion. Another tip that I recommend is to go over this certain area several times. Don't just move to the next area of your face. Really make sure that you're giving enough attention to that certain area before you move to the next. And again, make sure that you're rolling up and not down. You don't want to drag your skin down. We want to lift it and give it a firmer, more tighter appearance. I also love rolling it over my temples, especially when I have a headache. I feel like it really helps to release any tension. Another area that I like to focus on is my jawline. This is going to really help to give you a facial contour and really reduce any puffiness there so that you have a tighter jawline and it's more defined. So now I'm going to take my eye serum, put a little bit of it underneath the eyes. And using the same motion, starting from the inner part of the face, working out, and just making sure that you're going over that area several times. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful, especially if you're someone that's considering purchasing a Jade Roller. I have linked the one that I use in my description box below. I actually went through 3 Jade Rollers. This is the 3rd Jade Roller. The first 2 that I used actually broke on me and they were just terrible quality, and I actually found out that it wasn't real jade, so definitely do your research. The one that I'm using is 100% real jade. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure that you're subscribed if you want to see more videos like this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!